Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to take off screen time on iPhone. So if your screen time is set on your iPhone and now you want to delete it or you want to remove the passcode to take it off completely from your iPhone, this is what you need to do. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Go ahead and open the settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down, locate and click on screen time. So you just need to scroll down until you get to screen time, click on it. Now, to take off screen time, you need to make sure you turn off app and web activity. To turn off app and web activity, you want to scroll down and click on turn off app and web activity. Type in your screen time passcode. Then tap turn off app and website activity. And then you may be prompted to type in your screen time passcode. For this to turn off app tracking on the screen time. Now, you can also come to it and say change screen time passcode. And then select turn off screen time passcode to turn off screen time passcode on your iPhone. And then you are good. So that is basically how to take off screen time on iPhone. If you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.